latrine hole. You know, you need to do that too. But that takes you to the 12th and 13th century. Here it is. You can see the toilet seats. But it wasn't like that. I mean, it's tough to sit like that. Look at that. Look at that. That used to cover it. People used to sit together. Here we're talking about only men. But, you know, whatever they did went down, and it's close to the sea, and there's so many tunnels here, and the water, as I believe, took it back to the sea. Here, there was another lavatory, another toilet seat of the Crusader knights. If you're talking about, let's say, every Crusader knight had 10 people to serve him, from soldiers till servants, then you can understand it. If there were 55 Crusaders knights here, then you can understand how many soldiers or servants actually been in that place. No women entered to that place, only men. Crusaders came for Jerusalem. The Hospitallers was another order of the Crusaders. They've been monks, warriors, and they took care of everyone who came to the Holy Land. And one of the things that they built is an hospital, which is here somewhere. I think we know where it is, but we cannot excavate it. It's because it's beneath private houses. And there were more than 2,000 seats in that hospital. Here you can see part of the courtyard of the prisoners. But most of it is gone, because, you know, when you are excavating, you are destroying part of it. Then see you in my next video. Remember, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.